You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Moja nananu shegu edigu on my yeah.
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Say Abrantia na oda screen enim no. Mumu bebre mu nim no. Na ye friend no Ivan Che Innocent. Me edin mama no Ivan the small boy danger. Say edin na me dia no because utie Abrantia age o here obehu no so very young. Na to de bia utie nsem o efi nenum eba na obehu no say na Charlie young guy pan na chese otumi kan nsem bi say yes. Baba Bontin then Sema Babetuja. Na say he was speaking on Ahoto FM. Na the debate no another topic was on the media. And the Enyaman Crofo Susu say it was a media no no womo enye because yehu. And you see Sen Crofokasa me de channel way akasan semneda. Say Embrebi Anna Mahama were president no. We saw how the media held Mahama to standards be our promise yen. Yen ya yehu nyama media no ye. Me amete he mi ye bi. Nti ende say different person about betina so na fe ye the different standards. Die Mahama ye de ye no yen fanye na trese favoritism abim. Na ensem no nkrofu bebre kasa ebi mo ka say media fo na nkasa binom ye nkrofu bi a akwa ye say they have their ties with this particular political party enti no muntu minkasa ebi mo nso wo munya ya nkomo beka now so there is some shenanigans bi and there is some tricks bi aban no ya wo dey silence these people ebi mo nso nsem a wo mo ka no na abranche kasa wo sa asem ne so treye na nsin se Ghana senia ekoi nkrofo bi wa aban mu wo mo ye nyama bi a se wonnim now your media personality and personnel and obi a oye adwuma o media nim na okọ kan nsem bi a de ye de beyo into secrets bi aban ni use to dey silence media no allegations no yenko tie Abrantie no ne full okay not really the full I mean statement he made but ye bebo some parts atremo na mo tie nsem ana Abrantie yi work
hey case say obenya media mo job no say there ye praise aban ye bo aban aba so yes why the government deserve praise you have to but that no in the periphery that is not your main job. Objective ni say you act as a mediator between the people and that of government. That is what you're supposed to do. And because I say nipa no consensus na do suntino can be as a media you are supposed to take the side of the people.
Exactly.
Because you're dealing with the people, majority are poor, many are powerless. There are people more battling with healthcare, school, so the configuration is small to the extent that you will not have time to go and dine with the government. But unfortunately, in our circumstances, a man for a paycheck camp with the government. Now rather leaving the masses to rot or to their fate, and whatever happens to them, they don't care. The most dangerous thing about the media is that Alaska so be call no can sama. Obi 8 radio near the only source of information. You can't some or GD. And this our back cry. Echo school. Cry blame Madam Catchansa 1+1 3. Now Obafie now we and Papa no catch and say there be 1+1 2 only need because only the teacher because the teacher say 1+1 3. And until there be a make us a chrome her say opese oba any future. We should pay critical attention to their formative years. Akra no nyina. Akra no sha say oko school education obenya na the early stage because ye wa akra ba na dwe no hwinim. The orientation obenya no ena beboa no. Enti wo akra enti ye se kindergarten na say you pay attention enti akra no benyini no ayete ponkoso.
That's right.
Elsewhere people advocating say obenya even doctors and professors on mechira omma because akra no bi o ha woman that particular beginning in Alaska going forward when you teach here because SS university and I even at the university you been chira you only go to learn a man for babuam was senior and that particular way
the
foundation very 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 critical and in some media for Bekano Nipajidi is the reason why we a media manner you have to be very 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 fair. quite recently more share CNN I think that what asama ato Chris Como Ninua and a former New York mayor your friend Andrew Como onya se scandal be F4 and or resign ye abase yesi ninua no eboa no to certain extent CNN tena se hwe ensem num no baby o CNN a big platform and I say wunua kodi adebone na sa wo hu wo ma credibility nipa nyi wuni biem enti nipa na why only CNN na year adwuma over the years because of say ye de ordinary ho akwasha dem credibility crisis inti no Alaska ya twena sinchan amaye ne na adwuma no oye no obi aba e de which means wo media landscape na wo year adwuma you have to act professionally makase radio station ni media stations across the country obi yetimi set a media station based on the political parties your friends agenda and ideology and as for because my culture said Tena our builder CNN or a Democrat or be anim no Fox and a Brevet Washington Post and as for omo nyina wo omo your friends saying political persuasions and as for no more but nipa tena say yeah adwuma you make sure say no kra da ho ne be come nipa nate baby say ye de no kra to because that is the only way betimi aboa ma ya chechira oman media no that is your role but unfortunately where we've got into the government has decided say you be unleash terror and mayhem on amanfo abe wa so be cassette aban no enti strategy ni nie you be talk nipa no more media landscape ni nyina enti you be tia say so be ya turn no de you are free
okay
now wa won pene no then we will go after you that has been the strategy and me no ebo binim din so head to announce wo krom ha yetimi agu anase animase from top to down and in the US last week yabona baso nipa na yagu nanimase okroma ya say anase ne de oye nipa boni ne abinum class waku nipa
internationally
yes yes waku nipa na oku nipa no wie ne kwa ansa ne yere twempa na chese all forms of some yakeka okroma anase na kwaje international award still among for regarding no and there are several other individuals and now with the radios na wo kasa na ya fa nipa ni all the pen ni paper te ho nsema wo ka na ochro ya hwe se benya legal infraction wo ma ya de ne be court that is what they are doing yes that is what they are doing so the government knowing very well say abrabo no mo bo no nya abrabo papa nti no wa be wa so be kaseti aban no bia no we will come after you because your mo anya sa na say yantimi and control the narrative at the end of the day no the government will become unpopular and you will see say they are very desperate doing everything to reinstate Sabi Bakasa president in a popular. Quite recently, so here Forbes award the Aquadia to Krum here. I changed some ever crowd wasn't ya. A sign FM, papa, so was to form nothing semi free there. So that is the strategy. So those who are Omoti Kromo, Major to Muse, Yana had the mainstream media men, or Mojuman said they sit on radio and they misinform the public.
Oh, really?
That is what they are doing.
They rather misinform the
instead of creating a platform that will enlighten the people, liberate the people, sabi ya nipa beti making rational choices. You could not about one. Me share nipa me know more that ballot paper is wa. When beti me aboa me na when our credibility. These are two key things that be so no. They are misinforming the people. Nipa no could ballot papers no. Na nsem hunu aye na dwene mu hanyan. Na say ye dey free Kumasi o ha na yeto abako ye dey ye free Accra o ha na yeto abako mebusu ani nie me wafa enu ani so you look at the number of reasons nema ye gina so to aba because they just want to keep the society the way we are so because my culture say some person we enslave society you take away information and you take away the economic freedom forever and never they will become indebted to you whenever even you pass them peanuts. That is the old political way.
Whatever you throw to them,
you save them, you become their god. That is the political strategy. So Africa has say. So the media also are misinforming the people. The true way na ekoso nti ye din throw to nipa wati ni din say nipa we said the musi pay din akase nso na yasesa din kase wote akuntan ba wo bekom no na there is nothing that they are doing and now we turn radio soon as a newspaper reviewer and the newspaper is the last place for a news to hit never
that's right
because of social media and obi the newspaper here then news in the baba newspaper no na ya tie be na twam because we are in a different level altogether you understand and what you do is say obi turn radio so now for newspaper graphic say we say na NDC na kasa MPP na kasa no for course I don't know journalism no ye twam sa ne ma no Alaska you have to just bring to bear the critical issues were affect Ghana for sitemu nema ha Ghana for no you want amplify say we policy makers no beti na in their daily dealings no yetimi address these challenges say we Ghana ni asumbeto no but media no they are now comfortable ne kura de amanfo pressure abandon them opposition. That is what they are doing. People are canvassing. See, I make say baako na near brig gidi upper deputy information minister. Deputy information minister in the coming days over tell one now such a person or there be on the TV so. Not such a person, you know. We asama oya asama make fatu baby record to baby. Na e ho asem beba da bi. Na say nipa no tena radio so Alaska. Asem be no beka. All they have to do is say let me reduce myself into a bootlegger. Sing praises, hallelujah choruses for the government. Even where people are fooling, you know, let us cover them. Yan singing hallelujah choruses all to the glory of the puppet grandmaster bia. Or tesro baby or share no who you more ya fire boy abaso. But my catch is in the predestinate as so. Ultimate thing your conviction.
Exactly.
Ability to strike balance between what is good and what is wrong. And then my any partners and you. And then the say, when we are professor now we are saying now your ability to strike balance between good and evil anywhere. We need pa. Sad degree for so and so. Is the reason why I'm met here. I am troubled. Me any papa to say papa be a friend of Professor Day. I am so much disappointed in him.
Why?
I'm told to say he's a professor. I don't know how true that is. But let's come catch us say. Was it not the same gentleman over the years shouting family and friends, family and friends? What once in the past?
That's right.
Now he was accusing His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say, "Of course, sir, Nebusian for the one shisha buy money na for." And I think that today, if you sit down and you take those words now, Professor na can you know now we insert it into Akufo-Addo's government, Alaska. Family and friends, chronism are also under this particular government in the history of this particular country. Now you have the same Professor Onyanguyo, that's what he
is part of the government.
The same Professor Onyanguyo, that's what he and now he has accepted to be enlisted. He has accepted to be enlisted to be part of a cabal that is practicing family and friends in commercial quantities.
In what?
In commercial quantities.
Yes,
because your Muhammad they be na oyene your friend say bakuno nketwa no friend say when the family and friends they are practicing in commercial quantities and you have such a person part of this particular government and because he's eating he's quiet. And how do you expect me Ametia to respect such a person? How do you expect me? Because you are a professor. Because I don't give a damn about the fact that because of the Ukra degree as for we are professor and you know what kind of someone should swallow the hookla and sinker. I'll take your words yesterday and take your words today.
You compare and contrast.
I compare and contrast and then make informed decision. So whenever I'm talking, it is not out of disrespect. My catch the last thing I will do is to disrespect somebody, but I'll just speak to the issue based on rational considerations. At the end of the day, the conclusion, I will never come on radio and speak against anybody.
So the media, now, are we up to the task?
Alaska, the reality is that I'm just giving you all these scenarios. At the end of the day, then, because you come media now, it is not only about those who sit behind the console.
That's right.
And activism, all the landscape, they form part of the media. Because now come media now there. Because even social media, by creating a larger platform, even bigger than the traditional media. Program, the number of people who hear through radio is such a one who hear on Facebook and YouTube.
Exactly.
What I say?
Exactly.
That is how and then so media no so create listeners in the commercial quantities. Social media, people are there watching in their numbers. So in the media, we are all part of the media. Sitting here talking to you, I'm part of the media now. Somebody else on the Facebook watching is also part of the media because I know that they'll write comment.
Exactly.
All this discourse and I come together at the build your mind. So they are all part of it. We have another software obviously Professor Matthew.
Yes, my namesake.
Exactly. This is a bishop, a perceived man of God. Your chromas will be a man of God. You see the kind of seriousness you attach to because of this particular way. You also say Ghana a Christo mine and those kind of way. No, in Alaska, this is the same person in the past. Yehuno, bastardizing, insulting, Onon kwa na mamu say san suffer to me press conference e di aban atem. Yes, he did it. When Get Motu Yado Amobaha, he was so voice furious all over social media, insulted.
Trying to put the
exactly. And I dove my heart for him because that is what they're supposed to do. I told you, sir. I remember those days. Abrana, your first Pope John Paul, Pope, obey no. Me catch on the rule our player in bringing that communism. He decided, say, because on one casana my Poland. Poland is close to Russia.
That's right.
And baby, communism now put the powerhouse and Russia. So Russia attempted to roll its tentacles over countries Eastern Europe. So Poland was a victim. So obey Pope said no. Say bad dim crass ordinary cash ne chema to her after 2 o'clock. He will do so to liberate his people. And to be to know yourself na nsebunu koso na miawa no a. You are not a man of God though, because Christianity my culture say and yet say your friend say moye and dan change. No, you have to, because in the past you know oko Italy first na Christopher na di Italy so you're this Christian Democratic Party nipa omuli da na friend is it something Modro, is it Adolf Modro something onana or strike alliance with communism Alaska on Ofrinifia Parliament House. Me catch us all iraye.
That's right.
Young huno.
After that.
Oh yeah, actually huno ne yakuno. Adolf Moro said didn't na so Alaska. Right. So back to to your first professor no. Me say omo nyina dey had a stake. Obi atimi kire na dwe because yen nyina cheche oman. Obi a kire na dwen. But the thing is say nsem na mo kan ye ne nyina na they have been replicated in commercial quantities all over the place. The mess is going on. There's a banding semuna ordino o measure enye. What I say, failure is staggering at all of us. And they are not only just messing up, they are not just messing up. It is the future of this particular country. No, they are toying around the future. When you have old men very close to their grave, or individuals are more toy with the future, mortgaging everything. It's me for gold. Let that cosi come. Box side need the come. Na your friend is saying Eurobond near quite over 100 years, over 50 years. You do go the sikam Alaska. Now you bobu there over 220 billion. Now all these things, you know, it will come to hurt the future generation. So can you be quiet as a man of God?
It means that now we keep quieter. It means that we have no future to become leaders.
No! What's your answer? We a future leader now say, because future no have future no edit future no at the top lane. Future no the correct Champions League. Future no the dinsem hunu. Future na oton so bit me ton ade na the sikana ko sie baby. Unim say omba kroma. Yasi John Mahama incompetent. Sinking fund about to her. Heritage fund about to her. And Bobo all the fund Alaska. Heritage fund near the tour. I think that Scano credit could see or butchery.
That's right.
Sebayawe. As a more Ghana International Reserve Nasa for you.
I want to declare the account.
Alaska. Sikana edited the fund near Yadinina. And I buy now, Oba, you know. Oba say, Oba Ghana for Nasa Oba Soba boy for.
Right.
That is the question. So Alaska Medicino, media no. I think they really need to up their games, especially the so-called Paniform. The mere fact that what radio so channel, it doesn't mean that people respect you. May catch them. They should up their game. Ajuma, I know the day. Ajuma over here. And then the public general so abu akonta. And I say, men are making a radio soon 20 years in here. Now turn radio soon 20 years in here. Now president better in the interview. Now could be question phone, question huna. Question for so niswa. Now media person now we know. For bene also.
Obi say what on radio so 20 years in here. Now obi so the frequency by no.
Na sasa no kwade nsemu. You see, that is how they want to cow us. Oh na we know about abaya sukonoma way. But the mere fact that what radio so no Alaska, it doesn't mean anything. The